It's my updated bike check in the snow. I just got regular Yeti grips. I painted my handlebars orange, and my forks orange. I got a Maxxis hookworm front tire, and a Primo the wall rear. And I'm getting Alex rims for. Oh yeah, I painted my cranks orange. And I have a McNeil 36 tooth front sprocket. I'm getting a new halfling chain soon. I've got a, not sure what brand of stem it is. If you could tell me, that'd be great. I just have Well-Go plastic pedals. And aluminum rear wheel. And silver front rim. I'm getting a Haro F2 soon. It's just a steel frame. It's around 25 pounds. It's a crap seat and it's wet, so I put a bag over it. And that's basically it. I got it for Christmas. Yeah. Enjoy. It's snowing outside right now, so